Okay, this is our website concerning with posting university examinations from Tanzania. You need to visit this site, share to other users, share examination to our site. The purpose of this site is wherever someone wants to review some of the examinations from previous years, can visit this site and get those examination. Also, if someone want to visit or to get examination from other universities from Tanzania, him or her can visit this site and get this examination. So please, wherever you have any examination, you can share to our social medias from our site, so as we can upload them to our site. Wherever someone wants them, him or her can find them in our site. So I beg you, all students from various universities from Tanzania, to visit this site and share materials. This site is university examination.site. As you see, university examination.site. Go to Google, open your browser, which may be Google, Opera, wherever you are using. For me, I'm using Google Chrome, so on my laptop. So after typing university examination.site, go to the site. This is how the site appears. As you see, we are still adding various universities. As you see now, we have UDOM, UDSM, SUA, UT, CBE, ARU, South, and IAA. So you can contact us here or through our email, contact@universityexamination.site. Also, you can subscribe here. Enter your email, subscribe in order to get updates. Also, before using this site, you need to visit terms of services, privacy policy, and the frequently asked questions to get more, to know more about our site. Also, you can visit about us page. So if you need to get examination from our site, just go to the navigation bar. As you see the title, examinations, so click this one. We're going to find the list of examinations from various universities, so you can get your own examination, or you can just search. Example, this search menu here, you can type in an examination you need. Example, if I need an examination from, maybe let's say, system analysis and design. As you see, system analysis and design, this is university examination 2017 from University of Dodoma, College of Informatics and Virtual Education. So wherever you need examination, you can just search here. Also, there is tests, notes, online tutoring. Also here is the list of universities, job listing, GPA calculator. You can calculate your semester GPA here. Also, these are our social media. You can visit WhatsApp, Facebook, Telegram, or our YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe. And this is how you can use our site. Thank you for visiting. In Swahili language, hii ni tovuti ambayo inatumika kuposti mitihani ya vyuo vikuu na testi, ambapo mtu yote akihitaji kutoka chuo chochote kilichopo Tanzania anaweza kuingia kwenye hii tovuti akapata hii mitihani. Kwa kuhusiana hili swala, na isingepesi, kama una mitihani yoyote, testi zozote, au hata notes, unaweza kuzituma kwenye mitandao yetu ya kijamii kama WhatsApp, Telegram, Facebook, ili tuweze ingiza kwenye mfumo. Iwapo mtu yote anahitaji kuiangalia mitihani kutoka chuo kingine, au unataka kuangalia mitihani ya miaka iliyopita, unaweza ukaingia huko kwenye tovuti yetu ukapata hiyo mitihani. Kwa sasa tupo katika chuo kikuu cha Dodoma, ndo angalau tumeshapata baadhi ya mitihani na CBE. Kwa hiyo kama una hiyo mitihani unaweza ukasaidia kushare. Asanteni kwa kunisikiliza. Msisahau kusubscribe kwenye channel yetu ya YouTube.